Hey there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create a split test. Okay, how to create a split test. How I mentioned before, split testing is very important. Okay, this will give you an idea of what's working, what's not working, what to change, when to change it, and so on. Okay, so let's get to it. Again, we are in lead pages. What we have to do is to go to our pages, the capture page that we created. So hit the lead pages button here. And how you can see here, we have the three capture pages that we created. Now we have to put them in a rotator, in a split test. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, so what we have to do is to create a split test. So hit this button. And now you have to choose the pages that you want to include in this particular split test. So let's find our capture pages. So these are my capture pages and some other capture pages, but there you go. Here we have the pages that we created together. So we have capture page 1, so we select one first. We select it, wait for lead pages to do its thing. Fine. Okay, so this is, of course, this is an example capture page that we created. So we just leave it like this, we don't do anything to it. Okay, what we have to do now is to add the other two capture pages to the split test. And it is this button up here, A/B test. So hit it. Creating okay. And let this thing do. Okay, leave me alone. Let's do this again. Okay, so now variations. So we're going to my pages, and now we choose capture page 2. Yeah, we have to add all of them. Capture page 2 is adding, waiting for lead pages, and this would be capture page number 2. Of course, I didn't edit this just for example purposes. Okay, so here you go. You have the original, and we have a variation 1, I see, but you can rename the variation. So let's name it the original name, which is capture. What was it? Capture. I pause it again. It was capture page 2. Okay, so we just renamed this. Okay, it's saved. So now we have the original and capture page 2. Now we choose another variation. We add another variation. Okay. Variation renamed. Okay, let me close this. Hit this button again. Add a new variation, and we'll go to my pages. And you have to find the third capture page. In our case, it's capture page number 3. Select it. It's going to add the split test. And we can rename, so you have the variation 2, which is the third capture page. So we rename that one, so you know exactly which one it is. And it's capture page 3. There you go. Variation renamed. So now you have original, which is capture page 1, capture page 2, and capture page 3. Okay. If you want, and this split test has one link. Yeah, you will have one link for the whole split test for 3 capture pages. You're not going to have 3 links. Yeah, it's just one link. So everything is saved. When you hit publish, this link, which will be the link of the first capture page that you added, becomes the split test link. Yeah, so one link for all 3 capture pages, because now they are in a rotator. Okay, they will rotate. I'm going to show you how that is done. If you go to analytics, actually let me save and close this. Now in our back office lead pages, now we see the capture page 1 now has an AB orange yellowish icon next to it. This means this is a split test. See, like here, this is a split test. All these are pages and these are split tests, whatever you see with yellow. Cool, so we have a split test. Now we want to see the analytics. You can see at the glance here, the first number will be the unique visitors, viewers, opt-in rates, like how many opt-ins, and the percentage. let me just turn my phone off, apologize for that, and the opt-in rate percentage. Okay, this is something that we've done yesterday, and 109 visitors, 30 leads, 28% conversion rate. I'm not happy. I mean, it is okay, it's decent. Like, and industry average is around 20%. So a lot of people will be happy with 28%, but I like it over 30%. So still tweaking that one. Okay, but this is what these numbers are showing. Okay, but if you want to see more in-depth analytics, you hit this button next to your split test. Hit analytics. Now, so at the top, so now we have a different screen here. We have three variations, three capture pages, the conversion rate in percentage, how many visitors, how many people opted in. Conversions are how many leads you got, how many people opted in. Here, when you have data, it will be a graph, will show you by day, by hour, and so on. And here you see the three capture pages. These are our three capture pages. This is capture page 1, 2, and 3. Now, so how I mentioned before, how a split test works, when people are hitting your link, they will see first person hitting the link will see this capture page, second person will be this, and third the same. So the capture pages will show 33% each, so it's quite even, right? So you'll get data here, like conversion rate per capture page, how many visitors that capture page got, and how many conversions, how many leads. Okay, so when you start getting data here, then you will see which capture page is performing better, which one is not, right? And what you can do, see, this is the beauty of the split test. What you can do is, let's say the last capture page here is pulling at around 10%, let's say, right here, conversion 10%. Well, that's not good at all. And if these ones are around 25, 30 or something like that, obviously you want to get rid of this one. Either you can delete it from here, you can delete this variation, or what I do, you just drag this slider like boom down here. What this means now, this capture page is not going to show at all in your rotator, in your split test, and these two are 50%, so will show evenly, yeah? One will show one time, the other one will show the next, okay? And then when you see which one is performing better, yeah, the same here, you will have your conversion rate range as it will be in percentage. You can get rid of the other one, the one that is not performing. You can get rid of that one. Let's see, this one is not performing, and you take it down. 1 second. Okay, there you go. And you drag this one 100%. So what that means is now your split test actually is not a split test anymore. It's just this capture page is showing, because you want to use the capture page that is performing the best. The best performer, that's what you're going to use, you know, further down the track. So you took this down. Again, you can delete it from here as well. Action, and just delete it. It's not a problem. But if you want to see the numbers later on, you just drag them down like that. Okay. So this is the beauty of the split test. Or if both, let's say, two capture pages are performing evenly, and you're not happy, let's say that they perform at around 20% opt-in rate, you might want to go and change something in one of them. Yeah. See if we can increase that opt-in rate. Okay, I'm happy with around 30 something. I think the most successful capture page that we had was 50% opt-in rate, but the same was in a split test, and that's how we knew what is working, what is not working. And yeah, it was 50% opt-in rate, so it was really good. So yeah, this is how you do a split test. I told you it's so easy. I mean, yeah, it's really simple. This is how you track everything. And if you want to edit something, you just hit this capture page, and it takes you back to that particular capture page, and you can change the copy or the background or whatever you might think it's wrong with the capture page. Okay, so split testing, very easy. Let me just go into here. So to use the split test, what you have to do is to get that link, yeah, edit and publish right here. Come on, there you go. This link here, this is our link for the split test. However, we, myself personally and Erica, when we don't use, and I would say all internet marketers out there, you wouldn't want to use this link, let's say, marketing on Facebook. Like you have a Facebook ad or something, a Facebook dark post, which Erica is going to, is going to show you how to do in the next videos. You don't want to use this link, okay? You don't want people to see leadpages.net / whatever. Yeah, what we do in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this link, how to buy a domain name, like whatever you want. Let's say create your own economy now.com or anything you want, easysystem.com or whatever, of course, if it's available, and how to redirect that domain name to this one. So you will have a pretty domain name advertising on Facebook, let's say, but it's going to your autoresponder. Again, very simple to do, and I'm going to show you that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Split testing, super important, very important. Don't make the mistake to advertise, to market without doing a split test. You will burn your money because you're not going to know what is wrong with your capture page if you have just one. You don't know what is working, what is not working. Maybe the image is bad, maybe the copy is bad. You just shooting in the dark. So split testing, super important. Do it. You've seen how easy it is. Yeah, I don't know what else to say to drive this home. Super important, split testing. Okay, so how I said in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take the split test link and make it nice and pretty. See you soon. Cheers.